guys, today I'm gonna be reviewing this hair from Mercy's Hair Extensions. First of all, I have to talk about the packaging. I love this. Is so unique. I love the fact that it's pink, and I also love the packaging. It came with a thank you card that also talks about how to go ahead and maintain your curly hair if you're getting a curly hair, and how to actually maintain your kinky straight weave, just like this one which I have right here. So it also comes with this cute hanger from Mercy's Hair Extensions as well, and this hair is a Upart wig. It's a kinky straight Upart wig. It is 16 inches and it is also 180% density. You're gonna see how full it is. It comes with clip-ins, and it also comes with some hooks at the back, just so that this is well secured once you have it on. So again, this is a kinky straight wig. It does not shed, guys. This wig doesn't shed, so I'm so impressed. I was impressed throughout the whole video. It did not shed at all. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It's a Upart wig, and I just went ahead to cut off the lace at the front just so that we can go ahead and install this wig right away. Okay, so how I have my hair braided, I have two cornrows in front, which I'm going to loosen and blend into the kinky straight weave, and this is how the back looks like. So I have cornrows all the way, and now I'm just going to go ahead to braid the back just so that everything is not flying around at the back, if you guys get what I mean. So I went ahead to tuck that into my hair as well. So this is what it's looking like right now after we have cut the lace from the front. So it comes with the clip-ins. Again, all you have to do is just like clip just so that you open them up, and then once you have them on, you can then clip them to close them, and then that way they're secured. Okay, so I went ahead to wear this wig, and I had to secure it at the back first, and this is what we're looking like right now. But then you're gonna go ahead to like place it well and secure it using those hooks. So you have to bring out your hair. You have to bring out the hair which you're going to be using to blend this front part, because that is what we're going to be loosening up. So you have to make sure that your clip-ins are well clipped, just so that the hair is secured again. So that's what I'm doing right now. This took a while, guys. This actually took a while. I want you guys to see how long it took me to like get everything secured, because it's very important. So you have to make sure that your clip-ins are secured beneath all of this, so that you're just walking about and you're not scared of it falling off. Okay, so take your time. So we are definitely good to go. Next up, I went ahead to loosen my twists, because I had them in twist, and then my cornrows again. So once you have this loosened up, then you just have to brush it through. You're gonna have like some of the hair with your hair, so separate that, and then you're gonna get your hair in front, which you're gonna use to blend into this kinky straight wig, right? So next up, what I did was to use my leave-in conditioner just to prep my hair a little bit before I actually go ahead to blow dry my hair, right? So apply some leave-in conditioner if you have some protein treatment. All right, so I went ahead to divide this into sections, because that way it's easier for me to work with. So this is something that I would advise, just so that you have like a very smooth blow drying process. So I went ahead to blow dry my hair just to straighten it out a little bit. what I did is to just have my hair separated, just so that I can have some section of my own hair at the back. That way it covers the extensions. And then I went ahead to use my straightener just so that we have like a very seamless blend and my hair blends into the kinky straight wig, right? So I used low heat just so that I can get everything laid. And so this is what we're looking like. This is the final result of this hair, but we're not done. Look at how the hair just literally moves. Like it's so lush, it's so free. It's not like a kinky straight wig. It's not the regular kinky straight wig, I know. And I don't know, this hair is just beautiful. It's so amazing. The hair moves, guys. It does not shed. I was so impressed. It does not shed at all. No. So this is a very good hair. I love the fact that it moves. I've never seen a kinky straight hair move like this. I mean, look at that. So this is a very good hair. I love this hair. And I also went ahead to play around with my hair. If you guys know me, you know I love to try out different things. So I kind of tried out a couple of styles, simple but yet elegant, you know. So stuff like this. I also had it in another bun, a bun at the back with like some strands or some part of the hair dropping downwards, right? So this is something that you guys can go for. You can play around with it. I mean, if you guys have like wild ideas for this hair. One other thing about this hair which I love is the fact that you can curl it. I mean, it holds curls pretty well. Well, I only curled up the front just because of the style I was going for, and this is how it turned out, guys. So I believe you can curl this hair and get whatever style you want. So this is it, and now I'm going to show you guys all the looks which I created with this hair. You guys enjoy this video. So if you enjoy this video, then let me know down in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.